So are you feeling the heat of menopause? Let's talk about a helper called HRT and how it can make things easier. So as we get into menopause, our body's hormone levels go down, that is the female hormone estrogen. And this can mean hot flashes, trouble sleeping, mood changes, and weaker bones. It's like our body's inner balance is a bit off. And that is where HRT comes in. It gives back some of those hormones, helping sort off those tricky symptoms. Imagine fewer hot moments, better sleep, more even moods, and stronger bones. But remember, HRT isn't a one answer fits all. Everyone is different, so what works for one might not work for another. Thinking about it? A chat with your gynecologist can help figure things out. In the ups and downs of menopause, HRT might be a helping hand. Stay strong, stay informed, and know you have got this.